Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now, let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the charts, see what really is happening with Pepe and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As you can tell by the title of the video, this one is a really exciting update. So if you are a holder for Pepe, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So if we're looking at the price as of June 21st, 2023, you guys can see the price is currently sitting at 140. We have 5 zeros in front of the price now, and we're up 44.4% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, guys. Insane. That is insane move. And if we're looking at it in BTC comparative, we're up 34% in Bitcoin comparative and Ethereum comparative. So right now, Pepe is outperforming literally the entire market. The rank is climbing up, and if we're looking at its market cap, it's currently sitting at $583.3 million, and the 24-hour trading volume has gone up 4x compared to yesterday, currently sitting at $436.7 million. Wow. And if you watched my video yesterday, you guys know that I said, I'm starting to see a sign of this happening. You can see my title was perfect setup, and as a matter of fact, things really did play out, because we were seeing, Bitcoin starting to make a move, which obviously is going to affect all the coins, meme coins, altcoins, and obviously Pepe is no exception. Pepe reacted to that Bitcoin move. Bitcoin has hit almost a new yearly high, guys. That's insane. So obviously the market reacted to that momentum, but majority of the altcoins right now are lagging behind in Bitcoin comparative, but we're seeing Pepe outperform that, which is insane. But before we get into the charts, guys, you guys know, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So now let's look at what really is happening. If we're looking at their Twitter, you guys can see about the same thing, nothing insane happening. We are obviously seeing new followers coming in day by day, and that's no secret at this point. I've told you guys, Pepe has made itself that next meme coin, and I did say, when things really do turn around, this is going to bounce back up very fast. And it's nearly up 50% in the last 24 hours. Welcome to crypto land, guys. But now if we're looking at the Ether scan, what did I tell you guys? This happened sooner than this happened 2 days later than we were expecting. As you guys know, I was expecting the holders for Pepe to go over the 120,000 holders this Sunday, but obviously we've seen a little bit of delay on that. But as of Wednesday, we saw a massive breakout, and you can see this for yourself, a new all-time high in holder count, currently sitting at 120,600 holders, guys, for Pepe, a new milestone. And this is huge thing to point out, and I'm really excited for that Pepe community. But now let's look at what's happening with Pepe's price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Of course, guys, you guys know that it has broken out. I'm sure you guys are really excited right now, but let's take a little bit of a closer look as to what happened. Number one thing I want to point out to you guys is look at the volume. The volume has gone through the roof right now for Pepe. And also yesterday, we were around this range, and I said, I could see the price of Pepe going back above to this range, and most importantly, retesting that level of resistance if we do see a push in BTC's side. And as a matter of fact, we saw Bitcoin break out above that 61.8 Fibonacci level of resistance at 28,700, and we've seen Bitcoin almost hitting a new yearly high, potentially could hit a new yearly high in the next few hours. So we've seen Pepe really react to that. So you can see for yourself yesterday, if you picked up some Pepe around this range, you are up right now 55%. Let that sink in. You are up 55% if you picked up some Pepe just last night. Insane explosive move, and this should be a learning lesson for the newcomers coming into the space. Now let me show you what I basically mean. Obviously, we've been seeing a downwards trajectory outperforming over the past few months. It's no secret at this point. Bitcoin was really, seeing a lot of volatility within its price. We were seeing negative news coming out left and right. But all of a sudden, we saw some massive news in favor of Bitcoin. Some countries adopting Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies, bringing mass adoption. And that really, I think, triggered the price of Bitcoin to make a massive move towards the upside. And a lot of people are saying this is the start to the bull run. Arguably could definitely be the start, but remember, altcoins are still gonna lag behind because dominance is literally at 51.5%, and this is something we were talking about on my channel for quite some time as well. But if we're looking at Pepe right now, everything is all about Pepe, because Pepe, I've told you guys before, obviously when things were going down, everyone was bringing in FUD. We were seeing so much FUD comments coming in. People are saying, this is a dead coin, it's going to $100 million market cap, no one wants it. But we need to continuously examine the entire trend. Shiba Inu, when it came out into the markets, a very similar pattern. When it was consolidating, it was seeing a little bit of a shake off within its price. Guess what? The comments came in, this coin is dead, it's not going to go up. And fall of 2021 came, and we saw Shiba Inu literally go insane. So we're seeing something similar happen, and this goes back to saying, whenever I make an update, I say these three things. You always want to be following these three rules, and it's really important. Like, this is a great example. Always do your own due diligence. Always invest what you can afford to lose. If you have done those two things, patience is your number one key to follow. Imagine the people that were accumulating the bloodbath, that saw the bigger picture, that thought, this could be the next real big thing. They're up about 55% if they were accumulating around this range. So, on my channel, I was talking about that $600 million market cap. You guys can go literally watch any video of mine in the recent few days, and I was talking about that, and we've seen a move like that happen. Some people were calling me crazy, but that has happened. And the reason as to why we've seen Pepe seen such a significant big move is because of the fact that it's a new coin, and the amount of hype this coin has is insane. So when markets do turn around, when the heat does come back in the markets, these type of projects move up really fast. And that is no secret at this point. The fact that dominance is this high and BTC has this much momentum, we've seen Pepe outperform everything, and right now it's almost sitting at the top 70 spot. And who knows, if we break out of this upcoming level of resistance that we're about to see, we could potentially shock a lot of people and could see the price of Pepe reclaim some levels that we have not seen since May 20th. So things are starting to look really great. And this shows, if you do not want to be panicking, these type of moves can happen anytime, but also profit taking is very important. What I'm projecting now that might happen is, of course, we have resistance coming up on our end. I think we might get to this level of resistance. And, in order for us to get back to that level of resistance, it's a move of about 6% to go. I think we might touch that and see a little bit of a minor rejection. And if we see a minor rejection, that is quite normal, because this is a massive level of resistance coming up on our end. But if we break out of here, guys, expect some heat to come in, and especially if BTC hits a new yearly high. But at the same time, we need to see Bitcoin close above this, actually close above this and not go back down. So I want something like this happening with the price of Bitcoin. So even if it were to retrace, I'm okay if it bounces back and forth around this range. This is okay. But at this point, I think it has some steam within itself to break even higher than our April high for the year that Bitcoin set for itself. So it's going to be very interesting to see how things play out. Things are looking mega insane, but at the same time now, guys, I want you guys to have an exit strategy in place. If you're sitting at some 60% profits over the past few days, those are insane gains. Someone that put $20,000 or even $10,000 yesterday, I know that's a lot of money. They're sitting at $6,000 profit. So we need to put that into perspective, lock some profit in. I cannot stress that enough. But things are looking insane, but I'm starting to see something similar like this play out. So if we get to that level of resistance, might see a minor rejection, go down to this 1,342 cents mark, maybe like trade sideways for a bit and then possibly push towards. But if we do have mega push and BTC price, I would not be surprised if this breaks out and hits $700 million market cap and could potentially start heading back to $1 billion. Yep, and that's going to shock a lot of people. But that is it for today's update. Love you all. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys agree with the analysis? Thank you so much for your support. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.